Hello Bachcha Party. So previously into the previous video we have studied about the tropical, the subtropical region. We have started with the Amazon basin. Okay, we had completed up to the Amazon rainforest. Labyrinth we have studied, Amazon rainforest we have studied. Now we are going to know about flora and fauna. What are the flora and fauna found into the Amazon basin? So, Amazon is one of the richest area in the world in animals and plants diversity. Okay, Amazon is the richest area into the world which have different varieties of animals and plants found over there. The range of plant and animal species in the Amazon remains largely unknown. Means most of the plants and animals are unknown into the Amazon basin. Scientists estimate that only 40% of the animals we get to know about that. 40% of the insect species we are get to know about that. Okay, rest of all, so many insects are over there. Rest of all, that scientists are searching about that what variety of species they are. About 300,000 species of plant have been identified into the Amazon basin. Okay, 300,000 plant species have been identified into the Amazon basin. 300,000 plant varieties. Plant varieties have been found into the Amazon basin, and 20,000 are remain undiscovered. There are 20,000 more species into the Amazon basin which are still undiscovered. Next, many animals like flamingos, rheas, condors, vultures are commonly seen in the highlands and plains. And puma, jaguar, javeli, tapirs, and giant ant-eaters, etc. are the animals which are found into the Amazon. Next, the Amazon water lily is the biggest flower in the world with a diameter of 2 meters. With a diameter of 2 meters, the Amazon lily is the biggest flower. Amazon lily is the biggest flower, whose diameter is about 2 meters. Next, the Caringuejaida spider is the bigger than a baseball. You know baseball, what a baseball is. Have you ever played the volleyball? In the same way that is the size of a spider which is found into the Amazon basin. That the name of that spider is Caringuejaida. I write it over here. This is the largest spider which is found into the Amazon basin area. Its size is about 1 volleyball. Okay, so total 57 endangered species are found into the Amazon basin, including jaguar also. Anaconda is a special variety. You have seen Anaconda movie? That anaconda is found into the Amazon basin. It is bigger than that of the python and more heavier than that of the python. Its length is about 10 meters. It can be about 10 meters. Next, what are people and settlement into the Amazon basin? How they survive over there? The people who live in this thick jungle have to live in a small cluster. The people who live in this jungle have to live into the small cluster and survive on hunting and forest produce. They survive on the hunting and forest produce. Normally they are nomads. Okay, just like previously into the early age, early humans used to move from one place to another. They were the nomads. In the same way, these people are also counted into the nomads. Okay, they basically involve into the hunting and do the fishing. The staple food of these people are manioc and cassava. Manioc and cassava. Manioc and cassava is a kind of food which they used to eat. Just like wheat and rice, we are dependent on the wheat and rice and pulses. They are dependent on the manioc and cassava. It is a variety of potato. It is a variety of potato which is found under the surface of the earth. Okay, just like potato is found into the underground. Okay, into the surface of the earth. In the same way, manioc and cassava is also found into the surface of the earth. Next, they have the base carried out slash and burn agriculture. Slash and burn agriculture they used to do. What is slash and burn agriculture? They used to clear a particular area by cutting down the trees or whatever the plant they used to cut. Okay, then after that they clean that area and do the agriculture over there for the 1 year. When its fertility is finished, they used to shift to another place and do the same thing over there. They leave that place, they burn whatever they produced, they cut it, they keep it themselves, and the leftover they burn over there. Just left that area for 1 year to get more fertile and more irrigated, and then after that they shift it at another place and do the same process. Next, the primary crops onto the Amazon basin are tapioca, pineapple, sweet potato, coffee and maize. These are the crops which are found into the Amazon basin, and people who are living over there, they survive on them. Due to excessive rain, the houses are either built on thatch of the roof shaped like a beehives. Okay, thatch of the roof means to say that they used to live on the tree. They make their house on a tree and they used to live over that, or they make other large house that is known as balukas, has slanting roof. In some places where flooding and waterlogging is common, people have the house on stilt and bells. Okay, what they do, they make their house on the log of the wood and at the height of it, and they used to live over there just like this. Okay, just like this. They had on the log they used to make their house. Okay, then after that, where there is flooding problem or water erosion, they used to make these type of houses and live on it. Next, these dwellings are accessed mostly by navigating over the river water in boats, and there is no roads. Basically, these type of houses are found into the river water where there is less possibility of the road. Okay, so this was the thing of the floras and faunas and the people and the settlement. Into the next video, we will get to know about the impact of the modernization at Ganga and Brahmaputra basin, which is found into the India. Thank you so much.